Welcome back. I'm Joe, and I was going to fix this thing being my air compressor. Now I use this air compressor to build this fence, and also this fence, and I need it to build a replacement for this fence. Only, I got it out to use it, plugged it in, turned it on, and nothing. Now rather than buy a new one at a cost of whatever amount of money some big box store was going to sell it to me at, I decided to fix the one I had, if I could. I took it apart, pulled the wires from the switch, stuck those together, and when it came on, I knew the switch was the problem. So I took the switch out, measured it, went on Amazon to find a replacement, and actually got 6 of them because that was about the only way to get them. Those switches came in this package, and I was going to make a video of me fixing this thing. So what I did is I reassembled the air compressor with the intent of pretending it didn't work, which it shouldn't have, and then I would tear it down and fix it, except now it works again once I put it back together. So now I have 6 switches that I don't need, and my air compressor is functioning. So I guess I did nothing. Thanks for watching.